Tonight is wonderful as always. Right now you're hearing
Do this again.
Yeah, exactly.
Two things, but only this, viewers. One, they tell you very clearly, do not film in flash, do not use flash, do not use flash. People turn off auto flash.
Were
Not
people
that
using
hard.
flash? I didn't really notice.
Well, some guy was recording it in the light on. I was like, no.
Well, I mean, if you have yours to see what you're looking at.
Well, turn off auto, people. Just turn off.
Well, I didn't see any flash. I just saw a guy's screen on. Oh, and that's a Pixar fireworks together forever.
Pixar Friends Forever.
Yeah, that's correct.
Together forever. I think it's together forever.
Yeah, well.
And number two, why do you all insist on filming vertically? I'm sorry, that's such a noob mood. It's not even noob move. It's not even fun.
Well, I don't know.
Got a problem? Leave it in the comments. Fight me in the comments, basically.
Like for me, I like horizontal video because think about it, like besides your phone, what do you watch that's vertical? Your monitor, your TV, they're all horizontal.
Yep.
So like if you ever want to watch it on any place other than your phone, it's not going to show up on much of your screen. It's going to be this little bar in there,
Yeah.
vertical bar.
Like widescreen or
Yeah.
It's a noob move.
Anyway, we're gonna head over to Disneyland right now. We might see Fantasmic. It kind of depends on how the crowds are, or we could entertain ourselves with other things too.
Like Hyperspace Mountain, perchance?
Perhaps. I like the sound of that. Anyway, see you there, possibly in a galaxy far, far away. Long time ago, also. Now, Julie and I decided not to do Fantasmic. We're going to do Dumbo finally instead. I don't think we've done Dumbo since we've gotten our annual passes.
I like this. 15. I assume they mean minutes and not half minutes.
Yeah, it's 15
Hi there, it's your friend, Timothy Rob. As you know, Dumbo is a real high flyer. So to make your flight a safe one, be sure to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened. We're right in the carousel now.
There's some confused scratching your ears and all that.
So, we did our Dumbo ride, and we just also did a ride on the carousel.
King Arthur's Carousel.
Yes, that's
Wow.
right. So, I'm going to put in some clips for those right now, but first, let me talk a little bit about what I thought of the kind of refurb of Dumbo. Aside from the awning, which would probably be really nice in the sun, obviously didn't really matter as in shade. or at the nighttime. But what I did notice is instead of giving you like a feather, like, hey, you're on the next one, you know, you hold this little feather, which I thought was kind of cool, but no. The new system's good too. Just like any roller coaster you get on, you get in your row, it has numbers, like row 1 or Dumbo 1, Dumbo 2.
It was like mosaic tile on the floor.
Yeah.
And before you go, like, look down
And
your
then
number, that's the number you're going to.
Yep, and then you went there. And that makes it a lot easier than everyone trying to run around the circle. Oh, that Dumbo's taking, someone who said they were doubling up is taking a single, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And then someone's like that, and then, yeah. But, yeah, I thought it was good. It did start to mist, though, so you'll probably notice that.
Yeah, humidity today was over 50%. I don't know about you. And dry soak, anything over 20 I can feel. And especially when you're bobbing up and down. There's mist in the air as you're flying along.
All right, I think it's time for Hyperspace Mountain. We'll try the single rider and see if we can.
Well, I can't understand your logic at all. No, not at all.
Paging Star Tours passenger Mott Warren. Please pick up the nearest white courtesy comlink. Passenger Mott Warren to the nearest white courtesy comlink. Thank you.
It's 10 minutes to closing. We could technically get in line for something else right now, but Julie and I are done for the day. I've got stuff to do in the morning.
Yeah, pretty
And,
much.
yeah, we were going to do single rider for Hyperspace Mountain, but
They don't have.
yeah, the sign was turned around, so I just assumed it wasn't
Yep.
available.
Oh, darn.
But then we did Star Tours. But it seems like it's always the same theme. It's always the ones from episode 7 on, I think that was on...
The new trilogy, if you want to call it.
Yeah, I forget the name of that plan, but the second one was on
Force
Scarif.
Awakens. Oh, dang it, yes.
Either way.
Yes.
But yeah, we went on that. It's still pretty fun though. Gonna head out now. I'm thinking we're gonna be back here maybe one more time for this pass, and I do have plans to try to get tickets for Mickey's Halloween party.
So the fun doesn't stop, people.
Well, we'll see. But other than that, next up should be Knott's, because we have that one ticket from Bailey's Buddies.
Woo!
We'll go do that for one day. Not getting a pass for that yet.
No.
Maybe some point in the future. We've had passes in the past, but just, yeah. And then Universal, because Jurassic Park is changing. I want to make sure I get some footage of that. Love that ride. Jurassic Park is one of my favorite franchises. Also scored by the excellent John Williams.
Indeed. How does he do it? I don't know.
Oh, yeah, and Julie's never, Julie loves Harry Potter, and we've never seen it like under construction.
We see all under construction, and then I think we went to Six Flags there, or I forget, but we had plans for a different park, and they were still constructing Wizarding World Harry Potter, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta get that out of my system.
Okay. Anyway, good night, Nance.
Good night.